Hey everyone, welcome back to iTech Whiz. Today we're diving deep into the iPhone 11, a device that despite being released in 2019 is still relevant in 2024. Is it still a good option? Let's break it down. First, let's talk about the display. The iPhone 11 features a 6.1-inch Liquid Retina HD display. It's a 60 Hz panel with a resolution of 1792 by 828 pixels. While it may not be as high resolution as newer models, the display still offers vibrant colors and sharp details. The brightness goes up to 625 nits, which is quite decent for indoor and outdoor use. It provides good visibility even in bright sunlight. The display also supports True Tone and Wide Color P3 for better color accuracy. Speaking of performance, the A13 Bionic chip in the iPhone 11 is still quite powerful. It has a 6-core CPU and a 4-core GPU that handle daily tasks, gaming, and intensive applications with ease. Apps load quickly, and the overall performance remains solid. Whether you're playing graphically intensive games or using productivity apps, the iPhone 11 manages them well without major hiccups. Now, let's talk about battery life. The iPhone 11 comes with a 3,110 mAh battery, which, even in 2024, holds up fairly well. It can easily get you through a full day of moderate use, including social media, streaming, and some light gaming. Apple claims up to 17 hours of video playback, and in real-world use, it lives up to that, giving you solid endurance. However, with heavier tasks like gaming or video recording, you might need to charge it sooner. As for charging, the iPhone 11 supports 18-watt fast charging, which gives you around 50% charge in 30 minutes. But keep in mind, the fast charger is sold separately. Now, let's dive into the camera system. The iPhone 11 comes with a dual camera setup, a 12-megapixel wide lens and a 12-megapixel ultra-wide lens. The wide lens has an f1.8 aperture, while the ultra-wide lens offers a 120-degree field of view. The wide lens captures sharp, detailed images with great color accuracy. The ultra-wide lens is perfect for those expansive shots and group photos. Night mode is a standout feature, providing impressive low-light performance with minimal noise. The iPhone 11's video recording capabilities remain impressive even in 2024. It can shoot 4K at 24, 30, or 60 frames per second, delivering sharp, clear footage with accurate colors. On the front, the 12-megapixel TrueDepth camera supports 4K video recording and features portrait mode. It's great for selfies and FaceTime calls. Moving on to software, the iPhone 11 runs iOS 17. This update brings a host of new features, including improved widgets, better privacy controls, and enhanced performance. iOS 17 continues to provide a smooth and user-friendly experience. The software optimizations help keep the iPhone 11 feeling fresh, even in 2024. Here are the pros and cons of the iPhone 11. Pros: 1. Great camera performance. 2. Strong performance with A13 Bionic chip. 3. Good battery life. 4. Durable design, IP68 rating. 5. Affordable price. 6. Smooth iOS experience. Con: 1. LCD display instead of OLED. 2. No 5G support. 3. Dated design with larger bezels. 4. No telephoto lens. 5. No fast charger included. So, should you consider the iPhone 11 in 2024? If you're looking for a solid device with a great camera, good performance, and a reliable display, the iPhone 11 remains a strong contender. It offers a good balance of features at a more affordable price. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this review, be sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more tech insights. Drop a comment below with your thoughts on the iPhone 11, or let me know if there's another device you'd like us to review. See you in the next video.